Adolf Hitler, Saddam Hussein, Chuck. Faces of Evil, all non-members. Don't be like Chuck. Join today and change history.
I'm only kidding. You're not an axe murderer if you're not a member of the channel yet. But a funny thing happened to me the other day. I've been a long-time viewer of a channel called LR Time who repair Land Rovers, exclusively just Land Rovers. And even though I haven't got a Land Rover anymore, I just enjoy it. And when I became monetized for this channel, I was really disappointed at how few people actually came in and contributed. I've got 14 members in 2 weeks. I'm very, very grateful to those 14 members, but I was surprised. So I've got 1,200 subscribers. And there's other figures as well. 80% of the people who watch my videos aren't even subscribers. And 90% of my subscribers aren't members. And I was trying to figure out how that works. And then I thought, well, I'm not a subscriber to LR Time. I've been watching them for many months and enjoyed the content, but why haven't I done it?
We don't have the time.
And I figured it was just because I'm tight. And then I thought, well, maybe it's because I don't realise how much it means to them. I think they're very popular and they're very successful, and my money doesn't make any difference at all. So I did a strange thing. I went and subscribed just to know what it felt like. And it feels kind of good, actually. I do feel like more part of their channel, and I certainly get more communication with them as well, so that's good. So this is a video about how you can become a member, because I know an awful lot of people like me have never done it and probably feel a little bit nervous about the prospect of becoming a member of a channel. Firstly, I can tell you it's entirely optional. I do appreciate it if you would subscribe. It's going to help me to do better videos in the future. So Trixie is gnawing at a bone. And secondly, you can cancel it at any time. So if you ever feel like you're not getting value from it anymore, then you can just cancel it and no hard feelings. That's fine.
But only me money? That's bad.
But at least you've done something for a period of time and it is appreciated. So this video is showing you exactly how you can become a member and begging you to do so, because at the moment I think I've made about 12 quid, which didn't even pay for the crappy microphone that I'm wearing. So please, if you can put your hand in your pockets, even just at the lowest 99p subscription, that would really be appreciated. And I've probably helped you in some way, even if it's just passing some time. So it's just a way of saying thank you, and it is appreciated if you do. Okay, here comes the video. Hi, Nige here. I've had a few bits of feedback and some questions from people who want to join the channel and don't know how to. So I thought I'd make this very quick guide on how to become a member. So first of all, navigate yourself onto Bentley on a Budget on YouTube, then scroll down a wee bit. There's the welcome video over on the left there. And underneath that is our members, our channel members. On the right hand side, there's a join button. Just press that. And this next screen will appear with another video with that guy. Sick of seeing him, I'm going to turn that off. And these are your membership options on the left. The first one is the very bottom where that you can help me, which is just 99 pence a month. And if enough people do that, as I say in the video, we'll be okay. But if you want a bit more information and a few more features and you want to help a bit more, then you can go on to the next level, which includes the full videos. Now, that sounds like I'm cutting bits out of videos and being spiteful about it, but I promise I'm not. I'm actually making longer videos for people who are members because it takes me longer to do it and it uses a lot more processing time and power. And their contributions is helping me upgrade my computer so I can do this. That's £1.99 a month, guys. That's 24 quid a year. And the Fast Pass to Help gets you priority reply to comments, technical support such as it is, and anything I can do for you. I'm really good at finding information on the internet, and obviously I've got some experience working on the cars as well. Nobody knows everything, but I can certainly help most people most of the time. So that's £2.99 a month. And if you'd like that, you just click on join, and then your payment options will pop up on the screen. Now, if you've got cards saved in Google, in your Google account, you'll be able to choose from one of those. And Bob's your uncle. You remember. So I hope that was useful. And if you've got any questions as ever, please comment in the box below and I'll do my best to help. Thanks a lot, guys.